Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get 5-star bird info cards in Heartopia for the bird brick event. So you're going to want to join the event when it is raining, and you will need the camouflage bush. And then you're just going to wait until the bird, okay, you know what? I'm going to also use the bird whistle, so they will do more actions. And then when they kind of flap their wings, you will get a 5-star picture from them, like info card. I'm just trying to find one that's doing it right now. Okay, it's doing it right now. Like that action, and you'll get a 5-star picture. It also needs to be in the middle, so I think that wasn't in the middle enough. Let's find another one. Okay, that bird is not the brick one, but it was doing the... Now it's not? Oh my gosh. There we go. As you can see, I got 5 stars. It works for all birds, but obviously if you want the points for the brick event, you'll need to take pictures of the brick sparrow. As you can see, that one was doing it, but it wasn't in the middle enough. So make sure it's in the middle for that perfect photo. Okay, that wasn't middle enough. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Oh my gosh, that bird was doing it. Stop right there. Oh my gosh, I'm late. What's going on? Come on, bird, give me something. Perfect photo? Nope. What about this one? Oh my gosh. Come on, give me one. Well, you get it. It has to be in the middle and you have to be super close to it. It's just these birds move so fast that I can't. What about you? Okay, I did get a perfect photo, but it wasn't the action I needed. So as you can see, you'll get one more star for a perfect photo, which is if it's in the middle and if you are close enough. So you do need the... Oh, finally. There we go. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!